Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show how to type Telugu easily in Microsoft Word, Photoshop, etc. Open Google Input Tools folder. Link in description. First install Google Input Tools.x. Input Tools installation complete. Then install Google Input Tools Telugu. Input Tools Telugu installation complete. Then open Microsoft Word. Then change the keyboard in taskbar to Telugu. Type as you need. Type same matter. This is the matter I typed in Telugu. This is the matter I typed in English. I hope you can understand. Thank you.